Hello, my loves. If you're new to makeup and you don't know where to start, let me show you some of my favorite drugstore makeup I absolutely love, and they're budget friendly. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever I do post a video, you are the very first to see it. Now let's get into it and start with the primer. This is a dupe version of the Milky Way primer, which I absolutely love. They're both like my favorite. They do the exact same thing. They help smooth out your pores and blur your skin. I would definitely go with this one because look at the price, honey. Next product that is like my absolute favorite is the Camo Concealer Sponge. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love sponges in general. I use that for my foundation base and everything. But if I had to choose out of all of the sponge that e.l.f. have, it's definitely 100% the Camo Concealer Sponge. It's like, when I say the best, you can never go wrong with this sponge. You definitely want to get it and don't sleep on it. I mean, I gotta go with another e.l.f. product, which is like another absolute best, one of my favorites. It is the Brow Lift. Look at the price. It's $6. You can never go wrong with this. It lasts long. So if you want a fluffy brow, definitely get this one. Let's get into the foundation. I've tried many drugstore foundations, but for me, the best one that worked was the L'Oreal True Match Nude. This foundation has a beautiful light to medium coverage, lasts long. My face wasn't dry. It didn't look dry. It didn't look matte. It was just absolutely perfect, and it lasts me all day. If you want me to do a makeup look in this, I can definitely show you. If I had to pick one concealer, it would be the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Let me tell y'all, I am a sucker for concealer. At times, I wear concealer more than I even wear foundation. But if I had to pick one drugstore concealer, it would definitely be this one. It's beautiful I've seen it on older skin. I've seen it on younger skin. It's super moisturizing, and it has amazing coverage. For a very pigmented bronzer, you can't go wrong with the original butter bronzer. It is light-handed formula, and it is so buttery and smooth. Oh my gosh, so smooth to the skin. The next thing you want to get for your eyebrows, you do want to get the LA Girl Brow Pomade. It is like the absolute best. This is what I use on my eyebrows, and the price is the best thing for me. Okay. And the next thing you want to do for your mascara, you want to use L'Oreal Telescopic. I've been using this for many years. I talk about this a lot on my Instagram. It's a must. For your highlighter, you guys, I was put onto this highlighter this year. I forgot to tell y'all this about e.l.f. Again, another e.l.f. product. The best highlighter ever. And then you got, for the blush, you definitely want to go with the Miliani blushes. They're amazing. I've used quite a few on my face, and very pigmented, a must. So yeah, if you guys want to know more of my drugstore items, don't forget to hit the subscription button, and I will see you guys next time.